We're making gingerbread chia pudding today. Side note, honest hour, I can't stand chia pudding, but this one is delicious. Chia seeds by nature, when they're mixed with liquid, they're gelatinous as fuck, which is great. We want them to be, but when they're thick and they don't have that yogurt creamy consistency, I think they're super weird. This gingerbread one is the bomb, and it's so great for the holidays. So you have something that still has that holiday-esque flavor, but it's very healthy. It has your healthy protein, your healthy fat. You can wake up in the morning and have a healthy, very festive Christmas breakfast, and you don't have to worry about any sort of blood sugar crashes or feeling tired after breakfast. I've been loving this, and I've been having it like every single day this week. So I was really excited to share it with you today. I'm using organic chia seeds. They are from Costco, the biggest bag ever. I'm gonna use 1/4 of a cup. Organic coconut cream. This is about 1.5 cups. Next, you need some sort of sweetener. This is 3 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, and then 1/4 of a cup of vanilla. Then we have our spices. We have cinnamon, cloves, ginger, nutmeg, cardamom. Get yourself a whisk and whisk it all together. Cover it and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Then it looks something like this, but it makes a lot more than this. I've been eating it for a couple days. This is what's left. Get yourself a pretty aesthetic cup, then get yourself a little gingerbread cookie and put it on the side. This is our gingerbread chia pudding, and it tastes just like gingerbread. It has so many great spices, and it's very, very, very healthy. So you don't have to miss out on any of the Christmas festivities and flavors if you're trying to watch the foods you're eating this holiday season. So cheers to gingerbread chia pudding.